Hello guys, welcome and thank you for watching my video. This is VBA Coding Friends. In this video, if you wish of adding this to your project, that is your VBA project, that is if you want to display different content in a multi-page on a single user form. So if the user click on fees collection, the caption content of this label will be displayed in this label and called a page over here with its content. Once you click here, the user will know that they have clicked on expenses. Therefore, the caption, the content of this caption or of this label will be displayed in this label over here, and will call another multi-page based on how you assign the multi-pages. Okay, so let's step into this project. We are going to launch Excel. Okay, let's click on blank workbook. Let's save our project, save it to the location of your choice. I will name my label changing template. Okay, then let's change this one, the save as type to micro enable, and save your work. Okay, so let's click on the developer. If you don't have the developer here, I've taught you how to bring the developer. You go to the customize ribbons and you add your developer here. Okay, so it will be here like this. It will be this way. Just click on it, take it over here, then you click on OK. So once you have your developer here, you click on the developer, click on Visual Basic Application, click on this, left click here and insert, click on the insert user form. Let's change the color to white. Okay, now let's take off the caption. Let's make the height to be 500, and let's work on the width to be 970. Okay, so we are going to, okay, so that is it. Now let's pick an image, drag the image like this. Let's reduce the height a little bit and go top. Yeah, okay, so the height is 30. I think that is okay. Now let's make the width to be the same as the user form, 970. Perfect. Let's work on the picture property. That should be stretched. Okay, the back star transparent, other star single. Now let's open our PowerPoint. Okay, let's open PowerPoint. Click on insert shape, pick this shape. Okay, drag the shape like this. Okay, so click on the outline and select this color. Click on fill in and choose white. Okay, so once you are done, right click on it, save the picture. You can name it as, I will name it yellow, then change the save as type to this. Now you can save it to any location of your choice. Let's come back to the shape, pick the same shape and drag it like this. Okay, now let's change the outline to be none. Let's change the fill in to any of your color. Okay, so once you are done, copy this and paste it again. Okay, yeah, now let's work on the shape format. The outline at this time is going to be none. The fill in will be black. Save it as we save this one. Then let's come back to our project. Okay, let's fill in the black shape to this area. So that is going to be the top bar, however you name it, that black shape. Let's double click to fill in. So it's in order, it's going to be like this. Okay, let's pick a label. Okay, write any content of your choice. Okay, so that's what I want to put over here. Now let's reduce the height. Yeah, I think 20 is okay. Now the backstar transparent. Let's work on the font. Can make the font to be 16. Perfect. Now let's take the image and put it here. Okay, now the font color should be white. Yeah. Okay, let's work on the top. The top should be 2, and it's going to be in the middle of the shape. Okay, so we are done with this. Let's pick another image. At this time, let's pick a frame. Okay. Okay, let's take off the caption. The border style is going to be single. Put it back on none again so that it will not be visible. Okay, let's work on the picture property. It's going to be stretched, and let's insert the picture. It's going to be the sidebar. The sidebar. Yeah, so you are going to have the results as this. Let's pick another image. Let's drag the image here. Good. Let's work on the property. Backstar transparent, border star none. The picture property is going to be stretched. Good. Then let's insert the yellow design we did in PowerPoint. So you are going to have something like this. Good. Okay, so let's pick a multi-page. This is a multi-page. Okay, let's drag it. Perfect. Now let's bring this one here. Okay. Okay, so let's pick a label here. Let's drag the label. Okay. The caption, I will name it fee collection. Let's reduce the height a little bit. Now the backstar transparent. Okay, then the font, we can make it 12. The font color will be white. Let's copy this and we bring it here. This let's copy, bring it here. Let's copy and bring it here. So 1, 2, 3, 4. I think the 4 is okay. You can add more as you prefer. I want to send this top a little bit. Yeah, so let's add more. Right click on any of the page, new page, and new page. Okay, let's add a text box. Good. Now let's work on the property. The border style should be single. Okay, then the border color will be this yellow. Okay, let's copy it and paste it here. Yeah. And paste it here. And paste it here. Okay, so we are done. Let's pick another label. and let's drag the label here. Okay, let's work on the property. Transparent, the back star and the border star is going to be none. Then the text align is going to be center. Then the font is going to be, let's use 16, then Times New Roman. Yeah, then you press OK. Yeah, so that is going to be it. Okay, so we are going to write some, let's pick another label to close the user form. Yeah, so you can say close. Let's make it transparent. Then the text aligned should be center. Okay, the font color should be blue. Then the font, you can make it 12, underline. Perfect. Let's double click inside and write this shortcode, unload me. That is to close the user form. Okay, so once the user click here, it's going to unload the user form or close the user form. We are going to write some shortcode to make the user form fill to the screen of our computer. Okay, so we are going to say with application. Okay, so we say me.height equal to .height. Okay, so we are going to say me.width so me.width equal to .width. Okay. Okay, so we say me.top equal to .top. Okay, then we say me.left equal to .left. Let's end the with statement. Okay. Yeah, so once you launch it, so that the user form come in. So with, okay, sorry, this shouldn't be here. We are going to click here, come here, and go to activate. Now let's paste the code inside here and delete off this. Sorry for that. Okay, so once you click, so that the user form have now filled to the screen of your computer. Okay. Okay, so now I want to display the content, any caption of this label caption. The content here should be displayed here once the user clicks here. Once I click here, I want the content here to be here. Okay, so that's the code we are going to write for that now. So you double click, let's check this label 6. Perfect. Let's copy it and double click here. So we are going to say me dot, then Ctrl+V to paste label 6 dot caption. Okay, is equal to me dot, then label 6. We'll change the label caption. Okay, so it's going to be label 2, this label. So once I launch it and I click here, you see this content will be displayed here. So we are going to do it for all of them. Okay, so you can change here to, let's say, expense. Then maybe we can make here admission. Then we can make here letters. So let's copy this. Then let's come back here, paste it. So here is going to be label 3. Then this one, this label 4. So here will be label 4. then the last one I'm just pasting it, then this one will be label 5. So once you launch it, you click on this, that, and this. So we are done with that for now. Now I want that once I click here, I should display this page, and once I click here, the content of this should be here, and you should call another page in that order. So that's what we are going to write. So let's click here, enter. me.multipage 1 is equal to, so me.multipage 1 dot value equal to 0. So let's copy this. So once I click here, okay, see it has called the first page and the content has been displayed here. So let's give it to all the labels. Okay, so this is going to be 1, and this is going to be 2. Okay, and this is going to be 3. Okay, so once I click here in that order, so let's click here, then we say the school is far. So now we have a different content here. Then we can say the boy is smart. Then the school is far, the boy is smart, in that order. So we have it here like this, in that order. Now I want that when I launch the user form, automatically this content here and this page should be this page should be displayed, the first page, and the content of this fees collection should be here in that order. And that is very simple. Just double click here and copy this, and double click inside again, double click in the user form. Now here, come here and select initialize and paste whatever you copied here, the label 2, click. Now you see it has displayed this and the first page and the content of this. So the user will know that the first text box here belongs to the fees collection. Okay, so I want to hide this one. I don't want the user to see page 1, page 2, page 3 and 4. Just left click here, left click again, then select this to be none, so you see that it's no more visible. So you can launch it, and that you see in that order. So for now we can take off the caption. We are done with that one, so we can just take off the caption. You can just come here, maybe you can put some image here to make something little attractive. So this is 200, then this should be 200. It should be stretched, then transparent, then none. Let's fill in any picture of your choice. Yeah, so you can run the project and it's going to be like this. Okay, so thank you very much for your time. Please subscribe, click on the button and share to your colleagues as well, and for the next video notification. In my next video I'm going to work on the part 2 on how to create school management software system in VBA. So thank you very much for watching, guys. See you in the next video.